हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ प्रतीक्षा है। आज हम लोग संडे वीकेंड रिवीजन में उन सभी क्वेश्चन आंसरों को रिवाइज करेंगे जो हम लोगों ने इस वीक में लर्न किए हैं। तो हम लोगों ने इस वीक में क्वेश्चन नंबर 961 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 990 तक क्वेश्चन आंसर लर्न किए हैं। तो चलिए हम लोग इन सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर को रिवाइज करना स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 961, वेयर वॉज इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन बिगन? देन इट्स आंसर इज ग्रेट ब्रिटेन। Question number 962, in which year was Asian Development Bank established? Then its answer is 1966. Question number 963, in which year was North Atlantic Treaty Organization established? Then its answer is 1949. Question number 964, where is the headquarter of Bhabha Atomic Research Center? Then its answer is Trombay, Mumbai. Question number 965, where is the headquarter of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center? Then its answer is Thiruvananthapuram. Question number 966, who is the author of the book Indica? Then its answer is Megasthenes. Question number 967, when was first National Handloom Day celebrated in India? Then its answer is 7th of August 2015. Question number 968, where was first National Handloom Day celebrated in India? Then its answer is Chennai. Question number 969, what is the full form of TRAI? Then its answer is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Question number 970, who is known as the Gandhi of South Africa? Who is known as the Gandhi of South Africa? Then its answer is Nelson Mandela. Question number 971, who introduced the silver coin which was called rupiah in medieval India? Then its answer is Sher Shah Suri. Question number 972, to which movement is the slogan "Do or Die" related? Then its answer is Quit India Movement. Question number 973, the government of which state of India has launched Mukhyamantri Mitan Yojana? Then its answer is Chhattisgarh. Question number 974, what is the chemical name of vitamin B1? Then its answer is thiamine. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? thiamine. Question number 975, where is the headquarter of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development? Then its answer is Mumbai. Question number 976, to which country is Madhesi agitation related? Then its answer is Nepal. Question number 977, which was the biggest and highest gold coin in the reign of Akbar? Then its answer is Shahanshah. Question number 978, in which state of India is Jaitapur nuclear power plant situated? Then its answer is Maharashtra. Question number 979, what is the height of Tehri Dam? Then its answer is 260.5 meter. Question number 980, the Sanskrit name of which river is Iravati? Then its answer is Ravi river. Question number 981, which article of Indian Constitution is related to the ordinance making power of President? Then its answer is Article 123. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? अनुच्छेद 123. Question number 982, which article of Indian Constitution is related to the power of governor to grant pardon? देन इट्स आंसर इज आर्टिकल 161। क्या आंसर होगा इसका? अनुच्छेद 161। क्वेश्चन नंबर 983, विच आर्टिकल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज रिलेटेड टू द ऑर्डिनेंस मेकिंग पावर ऑफ गवर्नर? देन इट्स आंसर इज आर्टिकल 213। क्या आंसर होगा इसका? अनुच्छेद 213। क्वेश्चन नंबर 984, व्हाट इज द ईयर ऑफ भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी? Then its answer is 1984. Question number 985, who introduced Mansabdari system? Then its answer is Akbar. Question number 986, in which state of India is Simlipal National Park situated? Then its answer is Odisha. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? उड़ीसा। Question number 987, in which state of India is Khambhat situated? Then its answer is Gujarat. Question number 988, in which state of India is Kakrapar Dam situated? Then its answer is Gujarat. Question number 989, in which state of India is Tawa Dam situated? Then its answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 990, which article of Indian Constitution is related to the Supreme Court to be a court of record? Then its answer is Article 129. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? अनुच्छेद 129। थैंक यू वेरी मच।